Welcome to Simply Vigo. Today we'll be doing the flakiest roti. Yes, I know you heard me well. The flakiest roti by using one special ingredient. Let's get started. Okay guys, for the ingredients we'll start out with, this is 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoonful sugar. We have here a cup and a quarter warm water. So we're going to pour that in the bowl and just mix it up. The warm water will help to start activating the yeast. And you know that yeast loves sugar, so I mix the sugar and the yeast in one time. Okay, so for our next ingredient would be flour. It's about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so this is cup number 3. Right, so at this time I'll add 1 teaspoonful baking powder, and this is half teaspoon salt. So we're just gonna mix up all of this. Okay guys, so what you'll do at this moment, you just knead this dough for like 2 minutes, right? And then we'll just leave it like this, put a wrap over it, and leave it in a warm place, a warm area, so that the yeast will start activation, okay? And the dough will rise a bit. Okay, so you can use a towel to cover your dough, or you could use the saran wrap, okay, the cling fling. And you just leave this for like 25 to 30 minutes, right? And then it will be ready to prepare. Okay guys, so the time has passed. It's time for us to start rolling out the roti. Okay guys, what you could do whenever you put in your dough into the bowl, you could add a little oil, because for me, as you can see, it's a bit sticking to the bottom of the bowl. You could add a little oil, or you could just dust it with a little flour, okay? Alright, so at this time we're not gonna knead the dough much. Alright, we're just going to knead it into a log shape. Alright, and section it out to whatever size that you desire. Alright. Alright, so I'll just section this out into maybe 5 or 6. So what you do, just roll each section into a ball. So as you see here, guys, I got 5 from the amount. Just gonna clean up the board, remove any pieces, small pieces of dough from the board. At this time, I'm going to roll out the dough and butter the dough with vegan butter. Okay, some people use oil, but I choose to use vegan butter. Okay. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna continue to lightly flour your surface because you don't want the dough to stick, right? Because this is not this is slightly moist, it's not too dry. You don't want the dough to be too dry. Okay, so at this time I'm gonna roll this out and start buttering the surface. For now, you're not gonna be concerned about size or flat you roll it out. It's not important at this time, right? It's just to get a wide surface so you can, you know, butter the area. Just for that. All right. There we go. You're gonna try and ensure that the butter reach on every corner of the dough itself. This butter is room temperature. Okay, use room temperature butter because it spread easily on the surface. Okay. There we go. That should be enough. So what I do at this time, right, for the traditional way, you like make a slit in the center there and just, you know, just spin it like this into like a rose like shape. And then you tuck in the edges, right? You can do it like that. There you go, you get another ball, right? So you just set that aside and then you continue with the process. You always lightly flour your surface and your roll as well, your rolling pin. Guys, thank you very much for your kind support as always. Thank you for your subscription, your likes, your comments. I do appreciate your support for my channel, and I really appreciate you. You really give me vibes to continue to do these videos. Sometimes it's kind of challenging, but you know, knowing that someone is out there looking forward for my videos, right, that give me that hope and courage to continue. All right, so what you could do, you could maybe do a different design from what we had earlier. It doesn't really matter. have it like this. Guys, when we started the video, I told that we have a special ingredient in this roti. I want you to tell me what that special ingredient is by commenting below. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the 5 ball that we have, roti balls. Alright, so it's time for us to roll it out and start to look after our roti. This is not like the traditional roti where you leave the dough to, you know, for like for an hour or an hour and a half and so forth. Right, we add the yeast in this. So what we're gonna do is just go straight ahead and start preparing our roti. Start to bake them, okay? Okay guys, so we'll start rolling out the roti now. Just continue to lightly flour your surface and your rolling pin. Okay. So at this time, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to ensure that you roll your roti as wide as you can, right? Because that will, you know, you get more flakes when you do that. Okay guys, all right, I'm using a towel, so you pick it up just like this, right? Just a tip, and then you just flop it over your hand like that. Okay, so this is my towel, right? I think it's a 21 inch, right? It's already warm, so you're gonna put this the stove to low, right? And then you're gonna allow it to do its thing. You can see here you have a few bubbles coming up. I'm not going to allow it to get too big. I'm just going to flip it over, and I have here sunflower oil. I'm just going to pass it on the surface. Okay, I'm not going to use too much oil though, because sometimes oil makes the roti hard after it is cooled, right? So I'm not going to use plenty oil, because we're going to get nice flaky and soft roti, right? Even the next day or roti will still be soft, because we add a little sugar to the roti, okay? Right, and then you just turn and you repeat the same process for the other side. Okay, so you continue to flip your roti at intervals. You also press on it, so every area is cooked properly. So at this time I'm going to take out this one is ready, right? If you want, you can let yours stay a little longer on the tower. Some people like when it brown, right? Not everybody like it like that, okay? But the main thing is to ensure that the roti is cooked properly, okay? So that, guys, so soft. Right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover this with a towel, right? Because the towel will help maintain the heat, okay? And keep our roti soft and moist. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I have a bowl, right, with a cover. So I'm gonna put the roti right into the bowl, and I'm gonna shake it vigorously, right, to get out that flakiness. Look at that, guys. This is our roti, soft and moist. See that? Okay guys, so this is the finishing of our roti, right? Please try this recipe and comment below and tell me how yours turn out. Please give me that thumbs up if you think I've done great today. Please turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload another interesting video like this, and even more interesting than this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much for your time spent with me in the kitchen, and see you in the next video. Bye.